Oh, welcome back to the Nerf battles. This is Chase as Cat Warrior, and this is Erin as Erin herself. So today, this is the Nerf war at the house. And this is Nene. Right now, she's just like doing something. And here's Chase. He's ready. He wants to demolish everybody and take over the world. I'm just joking. Alright, so game rules. Y'all's gonna have to find y'all's fort. And then Erin, you gotta find yours. I mean, y'all don't have to hide in a fort. It could just like be like out here somewhere. Like over there, over here, or somewhere. Work. Alright, so Erin, alright, so I'll say fire. Alright, and then that's when y'all start. So y'all better start finding those forts. See, here's Nene. She's gonna try to find her fort. Oh, she's looking back, then turn backs. She's like, I'm fixing to get you, boy. I don't know what Erin's doing right now. Alright. Oh, I see Nene and Chase right now. He's lonely right now. And here's Chase. He found his fort. I don't say how this is gonna protect him. All I know is that y'all's gonna lose bullets out here. Y'all ready? So Chase, I mean, you found your fort. How do you like it?
Good. Uh-oh. You might want to say fire.
Alright, y'all ready? Alright, y'all ready? 3, 2, 1. Start! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, man. I don't know what to do right now. Why are you gonna shoot all the way from back there? Oh my gosh, man. Man. Nene is literally just trying to hang on. Oh, she's moving. Bro, she's moving. There's like an easy headshot right there. Oh, dang, he's walking like the Terminator. Terminator got scared there.
Not robots.
Oh my gosh. There's Erin. She don't know what to do right now.
I don't know how to shoot.
Oh crap, bro. Oh shit. Bro, look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Bro. So this is like.
You don't want to hurt her.
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Oh, right there.
Oh my gosh. Oh, you hit yourself? Oh! Oh, she shot.
What the? Right aim too.
1 point. No one got points yet. Oh. Oh my gosh. Alright, so the deal is ammo's over there, so that's the bad idea. But they're gonna have to try to risk their lives to go get ammo if they need it. Here's one right here. Boy, watch this. Oh. Chase is still trying to get ammo up here. Boy. Oh. Who shot? Was that you, Erin? Oh crap, man. He's coming like the Terminator.
What the? Where did that go?
Oh gosh. Here they are. Bro, they are fixing to fight! Bruh.
I could have got him.
Bro, you could have. Oh, that's 1 point, Chase. Oh, that's 1 point right there. Where's Erlen? Okay. Oh, I see her head. Oh my gosh. Dang, Erlen, he got you.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh my gosh, Nene, you better stop running. I guess.
For what?
Chase is like,
I'm in this territory.
did she get you?
No,
I can't
ain't
see it.
shoot nothing.
Oh my god.
She's having difficulties. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Oh crap, man.
Shoot!
They are fixing.
Where's my bullet?
Oh, Nene. So close there. Oh, Erlen got fits them one at a time.
Stupid.
I'm just taking risks. Here's that. Alright, here's Nene. Here's Nene. Here's Nene, bro. Oh! And you almost got it. You almost got it.
Where's it?
Right. Now I don't have to move anywhere. Oh! Oh my gosh!
Oh, I got her in the leg.
Oh!
There, I did it.
Oh crap! I can't.
Too.
I can't see it. But
I know, because you didn't even point at her.
I know. That's why. Oh my gosh, Chase. Any strategies or no?
Make your way forward.
Bruh. Oh, there's Erlen. She's like a dinosaur right now. Hey!
Take that. I need to get this forward. That's what I hate.
Erlen, you shoot at mine.
That wind.
Oh my gosh. Oh, Erlen's ready. Oh, you better start cocking it. I don't want to waste no time though.
I got
She
him.
got me.
Oh! That's 1v1.
Can we get some ammo now?
Yeah, like I don't care. Y'all can get any ammo. But you just gotta watch out for Chase though. I mean, he can still shoot at you anytime. Oh! Oh, he got you! Right on the side, that's 2v1. We're going to 4 right now.
I thought we were getting
I
ammo.
know, but he can still shoot. That's why you gotta hurry.
How that? This brown book is just.
Oh shit. Jay, this is your chance, Erlen. Just like to get him. Oh, oh my gosh. Oh, what the? Oh, that's 2v2.
That hurt. She got point hard. That hurt.
Bruh. Did that hurt? For real hurt?
Yeah, that rock it hurt me. Dang, my back. I want to see that.
Oh my gosh, bro. I just like cut myself.
Yeah, I know that.
Oh, damn. Man. Oh shoot, man. He's gonna like win this. Oh, Erlen, you need to shoot a little bit higher. Oh, there's Chase, man. Chase. Okay. Oh, he's gonna try to aim. Oh boy. Do you even got bullets?
Yeah.
Oh, bro, these two though. I might have to go to them.
Hey.
Bro, look at this. But they trustworthy right now. Bro, they trustworthy. Oh!
Headshot, I think.
Did he get you?
Where?
Did he hit you in the head?
There's not even a bullet.
Oh, that wasn't even a bullet, Chase.
Well, I saw it bounced off.
No, it probably hit the building.
Where?
On your head.
Oh, bro. That cut's serious. I'll try to heal it in a minute. Oh my gosh, look at this.
Hit him. There you go through that stuff.
Bro, look at these people. Look at these. Look,
Now.
look at that. You're all scavenge in here. He's like the smart one right now. Oh, she went behind that building. She went behind the building. Oh, bro, this is smart. This is smart. Oh, this is so smart. Ah! Did you get her? Did you get her?
Yeah.
Oh, that's 3 for V2. Oh my gosh. About 3 V2. Oh, here she comes. Here she comes. Bruh. Oh shoot.
Go on to that time too. Right.
Oh! Oh my gosh, Chase won that.
Watch.
Chase won. Oh, that almost headshot. That's like no lie. Erlen, he was right there.
I'm done.
Oh my gosh, Chase won. Anyways, he had 4. Oh my gosh.
I had
Meanie,
like 2.
that was, I
game.
know. That was 2, bro. Yeah,
gotta
that,
go pick
respect.
You gotta go pick
Oh my gosh, bro.
Dang.
The bad thing about Chase, you're a winner right now. Like, how does that feel?
Good. You wanna? Erlen, a rematch? I'll go easy
Oh
on
no,
you this time.
not right now. Probably another video.
I know. Close that, please. I wanna. You wanna play?
I don't know, bro. But they know who won and which was Chase. I'm here with Chase right now. He won, and I guess loser picks up bullets.
That's not fair.
I just we're helping, bruh. Erlen won that, and that was good. I mean, Chase won that.
Erlen, you just wanna
That
play
was
for
good.
fun?
That was good, guys. And
You wanna play for fun?
I'm gonna try to upload this, but make sure y'all subscribe and like and comment. Good comments, not bad comments, because they will be removed. So I guess I'll see y'all later next time. Make sure you just have a good time.
Funny.